Just a quick reminder, we will be running matches 1 through 8 before lunch, which I believe is at 12. 12-ish, or no, more like 12. We're going from 1 through 8 until lunch, which is sometime soon. And after that, we're going to be doing match, eat well, because then we're going to be doing match 9 through 40. So get ready for the long haul. In any case, let's introduce our teams for qual number 6. Up first, here comes a joke that you totally won't get tired of by the end of the day. It's team number 16750.
From Sammamish High School in Bellevue, it's the Techno Totes.
You should never believe anything this team says. They make up everything. It's team 3805.
From Edmonds Heights K-12 in Edmonds, Washington, it's Atomic Robotics.
This team's been bugging me all morning. It's team 8693.
From Oliver M. Hazen High School in Renton, it's the Scarabs.
And our last team on the Blue Alliance, they'll be traveling at 11.183 kilometers per hour. It's team 14343.
From Bellevue, Washington, it's Escape Velocity.
With that out of the way, we're all good on the field. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting off qualification match number 6 of 40 for today. Looks like some cones attempted to be scored on that front high junction, fall to the side, but that's all right. Still 20 seconds left to score in autonomous. Looks like meanwhile on the backside of the field, the Scarabs and the Techno Totes look to park for now. There is an additional parking bonus based on the randomization of that signal cone our referee set up at the beginning of the match. Our referees will determine if they're parked in the correct zone as our buzzer sounds.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And as our drivers pick up their controls, looks like all 4 of our robots looking to score some cones here in driver control. Atomic Robotics, a red cone in their grasp. They score successfully on that right high junction for 5 points. They quickly cycle back to their substation for another. Their alliance partner Techno Totes as well for red cone on that mid junction in the back corner of the field. For the Blue Alliance, Scarabs with a blue cone in their manipulator. They're looking for a place to score. It looks like they're aiming for that left high junction. They drop it down and land successfully for another 5 points for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, their alliance partner Escape Velocity quickly races over to that terminal, the backside of the field. They successfully score that blue cone. Remember that ownership of those terminals could be key in earning a circuit bonus at the end of the match if they're able to connect those terminals through a series of junctions owned by their alliance. Over in the red side of the field for 805, Atomic Robotics quickly taking another red cone from their substation. They're adding to that stack of however many cones, a pretty tall stack of red cones to the right side of the field, and they add 1 more. Looks like they now move over to that low junction in the front side of the field. Plenty of red cones being spread out across the field. But over on the Blue Alliance side, Scarabs have another blue cone. Okay, that one falls out of their grasp, but that's all right. They have about 38 seconds left to go. We're approaching our end game period, and they'll be looking for another cone to score as their alliance partner Escape Velocity with a blue cone in their grasp as well, score it on the mid-junction, the front side of the field. With our endgame whistle sounding, human players looking to introduce potentially beacons into the field. Looks like a beacon in the grasp of Atomic Robotics. They're looking for a place to score. It looks like they're getting a little bit of interaction there with the Scarabs for the Blue Alliance. We'll see what happens. Our referees will take a look at that interaction. Well, Techno Toast with the red cone in their grasp, they're interacting with Escape Velocity. Blue cone scored on the low junction backside of the field as our buzzer sounds. Exciting match there for both of our alliances. Our referees will take a look at what happened, and they'll have final results for you in a few minutes or so.
And it's a Red Alliance victory, 138 to 124.